Trouble appears to be mounting for the Trinamool government in West Bengal ahead of the assembly election later this year, as one of its star MPs, Shatabdi Roy, has hinted at dumping the party. The Trinamool has now tried to placate Shatabdi Roy as the senior Trinamool leader Saugata Roy spoke to her, reaching out to her. He confirmed that she has not yet taken any decision and the party will address whatever grievances she has. But with such a high-profile MP signalling her exit, there is tension within the ranks in the Trinamool. Shatabdi Roy, who is likely to meet Home Minister Amit Shah tomorrow, expressed her displeasure with the Trinamool while speaking to India Today, claiming that she's not being allowed to work and that the Trinamool is sidelining her by not inviting her to crucial meetings. She further said that Mamata Banerjee should address all issues within the party. Speculation over Shatabdi quitting the Trinamool and joining the BJP was rife after her Thursday Facebook post in which she claimed that she's anguished for not being able to help the people of her constituency, Birbhum.
दीदी, ये बताया जा रहा है कि आप बीजेपी के साथ भी आपकी बातचीत हुई है, अमित शाह के साथ भी आपकी बातचीत हो सकती है, क्या इसका संभावना है? इज देयर अ चांस?
नहीं, ये अभी जो हो गया ना पॉलिटिक्स में वेस्ट बंगाल में, जो भी है कुछ भी पार्टी के खिलाफ नहीं, पार्टी के लिए कुछ भी बोले अपने लिए कि ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, पार्टी को अगर कोई एक्सप्लेन करे मेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या है, फिर भी वो बीजेपी के साथ जोड़ देते हैं। ये हर पॉइंट, हर प्रॉब्लम बीजेपी के साथ है ही नहीं। लेकिन अमित शाह के साथ मिलना भी ऐसा अनयूजुअल कुछ है नहीं। मैं एमपी हूँ, मैं पार्लियामेंट में जाती हूँ, मैं मिल ही सकती हूँ। और ये भी नहीं है जो अगर आप मिलो बीजेपी में ज्वाइन करो, ऐसा भी नहीं है।
लेकिन इश्यूज आप कह रहे हैं कि बहुत दिक्कत आ रही है, तृणमूल सांसद के रूप में आपका काम निभाने के लिए आपको दिक्कत आ रही है।
एक्चुअली जो प्रॉब्लम मैं वही बोल रही हूँ ना, मुझे जो वोट दिया उसको मैं आंसर नहीं करूंगी। मुझे जो आंसर करना है, जो मेरे लिए है, जो मेरा फॉल्ट है, जो मैं नहीं दे पा रही हूँ, अगर मैं टाइम नहीं देती, मैं नहीं जाती, तो मैं वो आंसर करती हूँ, हाँ इसलिए मैं नहीं आ रही हूँ, मैं नहीं आना चाहती हूँ ये। लेकिन मैं जब चाहती हूँ, फिर क्यों मैं जिसमें मैं हूँ नहीं उसको मैं रिप्लाई क्यों करें?
টিএমসি পার্টির মধ্যে সমন্বয় কোনোদিন ছিল না, এক সুরও কোনোদিন ছিল না। লাঠি পুলিশের ভয়তে সবাই এক জায়গায় ছিল, যে একটু ঢিলা হয়েছে সব আলাদা হতে আরম্ভ করেছে। আমরা তো সবাইকে স্বাগত করে রেখেছি, আর ওনারা ঠিক করুন কি করবেন।
Well, ahead of the upcoming assembly polls in West Bengal, the BJP will be holding a key meeting on state polls this evening in Delhi. All office bearers associated with the Bengal BJP, including Mukul Roy and Dilip Ghosh, will be present in this meeting. Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP Chief JP Nadda will also be attending this meet. This comes as the BJP's Bengal in charge, Kailash Vijayvargiya, has made a stunning claim saying that he's in touch with 41 Trinamool MLAs who are ready to join the BJP and dump Didi. He says that if these legislators defect, Mamata Banerjee's government will collapse. Vijayvargiya added that the BJP will not induct leaders who do not have a good image. Remember, Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool has been hit by a series of defections in recent times. And I want to take you through some of those defections and some of those controversies.
মাঝে মধ্যে আমাদের কাজের যে গতি প্রকৃতি সেই নিয়ে সার্ভে হয়, আলোচনা হয়, আগামী কার্যক্রম ঠিক হয়। আমাদের মাননীয় অমিত শাহ, মাননীয় নাড্ডাজির ট্যুর হয়ে গেছে বাংলায়, তার থেকে সেটার পর্যালোচনা এবং আগামী দিনে কী ধরনের প্রোগ্রাম হতে পারে এইসব ব্যাপার নিয়ে আলোচনা হবে।
मेरे पास 41 विधायकों की सूची है जो बीजेपी में आना चाहते हैं। यदि वो 41 विधायक को मैं ले लूँ तो सरकार गिर जाए, पर हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि किसको लेना और किसको नहीं लेना। यदि छवि खराब हो किसी की तो हम नहीं लेंगे उसको, ये हमने सोचा है। तो क्योंकि सबको लग रहा है कि ममता जी की सरकार जा रही है और मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार आ रही है।
Let's just tell you, while this is no exaggeration, while what the BJP is saying right now remains only a claim until we can see any proof of it actually happening, it is not to be ignored the fact that there are many TMC leaders who've either resigned or criticized their own government right before the elections. Shubhendu Adhikari resigned as a Trinamool MLA. He joined the BJP. Sunil Mandal was an MP. He joined the BJP. Shilbhadra Datta, MLA, has resigned from the Trinamool. Banashri Maiti is also an MLA, has resigned from the Trinamool. There are several others who we've not named who've openly criticized the Trinamool, said things similar to what Shatabdi Roy has also said, but they have not quit the Trinamool just yet. Maybe they are currently weighing their options. We don't know if any of them are in touch with the BJP. Joining me live now, Priyanka Tibrewal, spokesperson of the BJP. Riju Datta is a member of the Trinamool. Welcome to you both. Priyanka, 41 Trinamool MLAs is a pretty specific categorical claim being made by the BJP's in charge for West Bengal, Kailash Vijayvargiya. Tell us a little bit more about this. What does being in touch mean? Because if 41 MLAs from the Trinamool are in touch with the BJP, and if they decide to switch sides like Shubhendu Adhikari, then the government falls.
See, whatever Mr. Vijayvargiya has mentioned is absolutely true, because you see that these desertions, this rebellism or the defection, whatever is happening, is inevitable. We knew that this would happen, and TMC is solely responsible for the same, because you see, whatever you will sow, the same you will have to reap. And ये इन लोगों ने पेड़ लगाया था बबूल का, तो आम कहाँ से मिलेंगे? Because now look at the claims. People who have not yet joined BJP, their own member of parliament, what is she saying? That she was not allowed to work. She is not invited in her own constituency. She is not allowed to meet people. So in such a situation, they know very well that BJP has successfully made inroads in West Bengal, and now BJP stands as the only and one and only alternative. And that is the reason people of West Bengal are bestowing their confidence on BJP. TMC tried everything, be it their attrition theory or be it violence, killing our workers, but they could not stop BJP from making inroads. And today, that is the reason that all those who are in TMC, their leaders, their MLAs, when they are leaving the party, the second option which is there in front of them is BJP.
Riju,
because they want to come out of this.
Riju, this is a worrying claim. I mean, the Trinamool may put up a brave face and dismiss the claim, but this is a worrying claim that comes, on the back of a series of resignations, at least one major defection, and a large number of noises from prominent persons, including most recently Shatabdi Roy. Now the claim is 41 of your MLAs are in touch with the BJP.
Right. First of all, good evening, Shiv. See, the grassroots reality is we have still 35 MPs in the parliament. We have got 200 MLAs and thousands of councillors. But most importantly, we have honest and loyal millions and millions of party cadres and booth workers who have blessed the Mamata government in the last 2 terms and who have formed the Mamata government in the last 2 terms. Now, we do not want anybody to leave our party. Let's make it very clear. But if somebody wants to leave, it is completely their personal.
But 41 MLAs.
Some are being brainwashed and some are being forced and pressurized by the state machinery, which is being used as the personal tool of the BJP, who are going there to protect their own self. Like Kailash Vijayvargiya said, हम देख रहे हैं कि किसका भाव मूर्ति कैसा है, वैसे लेंगे. So the people who have joined from TMC, who are the biggest leaders of BJP now, were probed by ED and CBI. Then why did Kailash Vijayvargiya and the top brass of BJP inducted them in BJP? So so the bottom line is,
Priyanka, let me finish. I'll come to you.
When you were talking, I did not interrupt.
Yeah.
So the bottom line is,
yes,
the bottom line is, we will talk on whoever is going. It does not matter to us. We will talk on development. We will talk on good government.
No, that's fine. All that is fine. Riju, all that is fine. Let's leave the rhetoric out of this, because see, the point is, if Kailash Vijayvargiya was making this claim, and by the way, I'll tell my viewers that the Trinamool is also claiming that there are some from the BJP who are in touch with them. I'll play that also in a bit. But Riju, the point is, if Kailash Vijayvargiya was making this claim completely out of the blue, I can understand that you could dismiss it in a big way. But he is making this claim, like I said, at a time when you've got prominent people. You've had Vaishali Dalmia, you've had Shatabdi Roy now, Shubhendu Adhikari, pulled the plug, joined the BJP, has held massive rallies. So it's not like he's, it's not like he's talking out of his hat. He is talking about something that could perhaps be real.
Okay, Shiv, my answer to that is,
I don't know about the numbers, but the sentiment appears to be accurate.
Shiv, I'll give you a sports analogy. Nobody remembers the 1986 football team that won the World Cup for Argentina. Even in that game, in 2020, we still remember the late Diego Armando Maradona, even though he didn't score a goal in the finals in that game. So the bottom line is, as long as our Maradona is playing on the field, as you know the structure of TMC.
That's a dangerous thing to say before an election, Riju. That's a dangerous thing to say before an election.
That is how TMC is structured.
No, but
and
what
when
is the
it
point?
comes to voting,
what can Maradona do without the rest of the players? I understand the metaphor you're making. I understand the metaphor you're making.
See, I believe that if a ship goes through turbulent times and on turbulent waters, the rats are the first one which abandon ship.
Okay.
So whoever is abandoning, the captain is with the ship, and I'm sure when the time comes, the people will choose the deserving candidates to play with the captain and give their mandate.
Riju,
Didi will be blessed over and over again.
There are a lot of things to like about you, Riju. This is one of them, that you call it like it is. And, I don't know if you're calling those 41 or whoever it is rats, but you're saying rats will leave. We don't need the rats.
BJP, see, Shiv, I'll tell you.
Let me, one sec. Riju, one sec. I want to bring Priyanka in. I want to bring Priyanka in. I'll come back to you. Let's keep this moving.
Please,
a few days ago, a top Bengal minister, just to show you that this is also happening from the Trinamool side, a Bengal minister claimed that 7 BJP MPs were ready to switch to the Trinamool. Take a look at what he said, then I'll get Priyanka in on that.
একটি লোক ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টিতে থাকবে না। আমি আপনাকে বলছি 6 জন থেকে 7 জন সাংসদ ইমিডিয়েটলি তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসে ঢুকবে, মে মাসের ফার্স্ট উইকের মধ্যে ঢুকে যাবে। 7 জন সাংসদ ঢুকে যাবে। আর আমাদের থেকে যে কোনো এমএলএ গিয়েছিল সব কোনো এমএলএ লাইন দিয়ে দিয়েছে।
ভোটের পরে বলছেন,
ভোটের আগেই ঢুকবে 6 জন সাংসদ।
Priyanka, I get it. See, these are very, very specific numbers. As a student of science, I love numbers. The Trinamool is saying 7 people are in touch with us from the BJP. BJP is saying 41 people are in touch with us from the Trinamool. I don't know. Maybe both things are true, Priyanka. I don't know.
See, we don't blabber. Whatever we say, we prove. We do the same, and then it can be witnessed. People are seeing when we are saying that these people are there. You are seeing that they are joining each day. Again, after a day or two, again you will see them joining. So whatever the minister from TMC was saying, he said very soon. So when will that very soon come? I'm waiting for that very soon. Apart from that, we are not sending any personal invitation cards to anybody. But you see, these TMC leaders, they are striking this discordant notes against their own party. And now it is really time that TMC needs to introspect. What is the reason? So all the acquisitions which BJP was saying against TMC, whether it be corruption, syndicate, sand, coal, cut money, scams, everything is turning out to be true. And their own MPs, their own MLAs are saying that this culture was existing in TMC. That is why they quit the party, because they couldn't stay in an environment of where corruption is the culture. Now he is saying that they are rats. So if they were rats, you continuously gave them tickets. You were keeping them as ministers in your party for such a long time. Then you never said that these were rats.
I'm almost out of time. I have 30 seconds left for you, Riju, since you represent the ruling party. My question to you: introspection happening. See, this is an election. You and I both know, all of us know, that the BJP wants this election, really, really badly. This is a big prestige fight for the BJP. Amit Shah has been personally involved in this campaign. Everyone knows how he feels about Bengal. So obviously there's going to be a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes. I don't know. I don't want to say what it is. But given that you've got so many people in the Trinamool coming out and bad-mouthing your party in public, is there any introspection going on to handle this?
See, the introspection.
You can't just call them rats and say case closed.
I'm giving a very straight answer. Our leader is Mamata Banerjee. What she has done in the 10 years for the people of the state, the people have seen that. I have said it multiple times, for all the 294 constituencies, the people are going to select the deserving candidates, but our candidate, the people's candidate, is Mamata Banerjee for all 294 constituencies. So people are going to bless Mamata Banerjee based on development and good governance. And nobody knows Bengal politics and the pulse of the people of Bengal Mamata Banerjee, not even BJP or any of their top brass.
Okay.
So let them first solve their infighting, let them solve their old versus new.
The word rats is I think the word...
It is just opposite.
I'm out of
You
time.
have to
I'm out of
stop the
time.
infighting.
I think the word rats is going to be the operative word of the debate that we've had today. But clearly, this is something that's going to continue for the days and the weeks ahead. Always a pleasure, Priyanka and Riju, for having you with me here on 5 Live. The Bengal election, it's going to get worse, isn't it? You and I both know that.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.